How to install Bendix ACom Diagnostics by diagnostic.com. Bendix ACom Diagnostics is a professional software for diagnosing and troubleshooting Bendix apps, etc., and other electronic braking systems. To install it, first prepare your Windows laptop or PC, preferably Windows 10, 11 in 64-bit with at least 2 GB of free storage. Temporarily disable your antivirus to avoid blocking the installation. Next, get the installation package from diagnostic.com or request a pre-install, ready-to-use laptop for plug-and-play operation. Run the installer as administrator. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the setup, but do not open the program yet. For activation, contact diagnostic.com. We will connect via TeamViewer to apply your license and configure your communication settings. Then, connect your RP1210 compliant diagnostic adapter such as Nexus, Asper, Link, DG, Tech, D, P, A5O, Norigon, D, LI, and install the adapter drivers before plugging it into the truck. Once installed and activated, Bendix ACom Diagnostics is ready to read and clear fault codes, view live data, and perform system tests with full dealer-level access. diagnostic.com, your partner for OEM-level check diagnostic and programming solutions. Visit our website www.diagnostic.com. Messages on WhatsApp at +link. For email, iPhone@gmail.com.